Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to make PDF in mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Google Drive. So I'm going to click on here to open up my drive. Basically, there are so many ways to make PDF file in mobile. So one of the first way is to come to your camera icon right here. Simply click on this camera icon. Then it's open up your camera like so. Next thing you can do is to simply make a caption. Then click on done. It takes you right here. Now from this point right here, you can save as PDF. Then at the bottom right here, choose your file location. Then the next thing we want to do is to simply click on save. Just like so, we have that. Another way to make PDF file in mobile is that you can simply select an image from the Google Drive. Having selected an image, this particular image right here. So next thing we want to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. Open up like so. Next thing we want to do is to simply scroll down. And then we have to simply look for print. Open up like so. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on the top right here. Then we simply click on save as PDF. And the next thing we can do is to simply click on here. And the next thing we can do is to simply click on save. With that, it has automatically saved into our mobile gallery. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to make PDF in mobile. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.